very fast. So let's get started. So for this activity, we need a rectangular piece of paper. So let's get started. So first step is that we have to fold the paper in half. Step number 2 is that we have to fold both the sides of the paper to the middle line. Step number 3 is that we have to turn the paper to the opposite side. And step 4 is that we have to repeat this second step again. We have to fold both the sides of the paper to the middle line. Step number 5 is that we have to fold the rocket together, and after we open it, we have to open these two sides and we have to fold it like this, and our rocket is ready. An important tip for making a rocket is that the tip should be very sharp, because the sharper the tip, the faster the rocket goes. So here our rocket is ready and can go very fast. So I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we're going to be seeing how to make a paper boat. So let's get started. So for this activity, we need a small square piece of paper. And I'm going to make a small boat, so I'm taking a small origami paper. If you guys want to make a large boat, you can take a large paper. So let's get started. So for this activity, we have to fold the paper in half. Second step is that we have to fold it in half one more time in this side. And third step is that we have to take one sheet of paper and fold it in this side to make a triangle, and we have to take the other three sides and fold it in the opposite side. So now we have to open here, and we have to fold it in this way so that a diamond will be formed. So the last step is that we have to open it and press it, and our paper boat is ready. This is a very easy activity to do, and this boat can really swim if you, it can also swim very well if you put it in the sea or in a bathtub. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye! Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we're going to be seeing how to make a paper tie. So let's get started. For this activity, we need a rectangular piece of paper. So first step is that we have to fold the paper in half. Step number 2 is that we have to fold both the sides to the middle line. Third step is that we have to fold a little bit of the paper and fourth step is that we have to fold both the sides to the middle line as well, and then they need to form a triangle. So fifth step is that we have to fold a little bit, like about 5 centimeters on the opposite side. And now our tie is ready. We have to take this part and put it inside our shirt. We have to tuck it in, and our tie is ready. And we can also put a little bit of gems, and we can also stick buttons here to make it more beautiful, and we can also color them for more info. We can also draw little dots, black dots here so to make it more beautiful and colorful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Cranky Crafty Kids. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a homemade Japanese fan. So let's get started. So for this activity, we need a small rectangular piece of paper. So this activity only involves one step, that is, we have to fold the paper little by little in both the sides. So first, I'm folding it in one side. So after I'm done with it, I'm turning the paper to the opposite side, and I'm repeating the same step in the opposite side as well. So we have to repeat the same step until all the paper is over. So the fan is ready, and we have to open it, and we have to hold it here. And if you want to make it more beautiful, we can tie or a ribbon around here, and you can also stick gems on the corners of this fan. So this is the end of my video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye for now.